Welcome back to the channel. Today we're unlocking the power of language settings in Vapi AI to optimize your interactions. So let's get started. First, open your Vapi AI account and locate the settings section. Usually indicated by a gear icon or a profile picture, this is where the magic happens. Alright, once you're in the settings, look for a section labeled language, localization, or something similar. The wording might vary slightly, but it should be pretty easy to spot. Now, within the language settings, you'll likely see a drop-down menu or a list of available languages. Click on the menu to open the language selection interface. You should see a variety of available options. Browse the list and simply select the language you prefer. Make sure you choose the language that best suits your needs and target audience. Sometimes, there might be regional variations available, so keep an eye out for those as well. After selecting your language, there's typically a save or apply button. Click it to confirm the language change, and Vapi AI will start communicating in your chosen language. This adjustment ensures the AI aligns perfectly with the content or region of your choice. And that's it. You are now ready to fully customize Vapi AI. Remember, adapting Vapi AI's language boosts interaction quality, boosting the effectiveness of your audience engagement. Thanks for the tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more Vapi AI tips, and share this video with others. #VapiAI, and be sure to leave a request in the comments below for any videos you would like us to create.